Hi everyone. So today we will learn about how to manage the project browser. The project browser is something the library of the project. It contains all the views, the sheets, legends, schedules, and whatever it is here in the project. It contains the whole library of the project or the Revit model. Now, how can we sort this data? So, for example, if you have a nomenclature of your floor plans, let's say ground floor, first floor, so obviously it will automatically sort it according to the alphabets. Like its floor is coming first, which is starting from E, then F, then V, and so on. So if you want to sort it according to the levels, then how you can sort it? So the first thing is you will simply right click on this and select browser organization. After that, it will show you three categories: views, sheets, and schedules. So obviously we need to sort the views. So we'll create a new scheme, let's say, and the new scheme nomenclature should be according to the project or according to your firm. So let's say I will just type ABC for now, okay? And let's say ABC is the firm name, then underscore XYZ is your project name, something like that. And you will click OK. After that, we need to apply this scheme and edit it. So we'll go to grouping and sorting, and then the last option here is sort by view name, which is ascending. So we need to actually sort it by associated level. View by view name, it will automatically sort by alphabets. If you change it to associated levels, then press OK, OK. So it will automatically sort by floor plan, ground floor, floor plan, first floor, like this. The next thing, as you can see, all the views are categorized like this, but you want to categorize like floor plan, 3D, elevations as per the earlier situation. So what you can do, you can simply go back here again, go to edit, grouping and sorting. So you have already sorted by levels, but the first group you need to make is family and type or family. Let's say family and type, click OK, apply. You will see floor plans, then it is sorted according to the levels, then 3D, then elevations. Now, the next thing is if you have two or three plans or multiple plans for the same level, let's say one is your working view, one is your presentation view, one is your uh, views which is on there on the sheet, let's say which is the final view, okay, and so on. So let's say we'll simply duplicate it. Now this would be my working view like this. This would be my presentation view, and we'll create another one which would be your final view, or let's say GFC, something like that. Now, if you have multiple views for the same level, then how you can sort it here? Like I want a list of presentation views, then we want a list of working views, then we want a list of GFC views. So how we can sort it out? So for that, we actually need to create project parameters so that we can sort our views accordingly. Now, what are project parameters? If you go to the manage, there is an option of project. So if you click on it, this window will automatically appear like this. You will click add. After that, you can type any name for the parameter. Let's say views category. Why views category? Because we need to name the category, let's say presentation views, GFC views, and working views like this. The type of parameter, it should be text. And what are the categories you want to assign is the views and let's say sheets as well. We'll talk about sheets again. Let's say sheets and click OK. So your parameter has been created. Now, whenever you select any kind of a view, you will see the parameter here in the properties panel, which is views. Now, the next thing is if you go to browser organization again and go to edit, in grouping and sorting, you first need to sort by view category, which you have just created, then family and type. Now, what will happen if we do such thing? If we click OK, you will see all the views are sorted here in question mark. Why question mark? Because we have not provided any kind of a view category to these views. So let's say if we select this thing and we type it here GFC. So you will see a new category has been created, then floor plans and this thing has been appeared. Now if we select multiple views, let's say randomly I'm selecting and set them to GFC. If I select these views and set them to working. So it has been set to working. Just remember one thing, these nomenclature, these text which you are putting up here are case sensitive. So if you write working with W capital and again you write W with small capital, so it will make two categories here. So be very sure while putting the names here. So let's say we'll select these things and put them to presentation. This can be changed again to working view. Okay, so you can sort any kind of data like this. Now, the last thing is why we have put the similar kind of a parameter to sheets because you can have multiple sheets in the project. Let's say if you have 50 or 100 sheets and you want to categorize like 10 floor plan sheets, 10 RCP sheets, and so on. So you can simply sort the sheets according to that. Let's say we create 4 5 sheets just randomly. So you can simply select one sheet and then sort it according to, let's say, floor plans. Then this would be RCPs. Now you will be surprised like it is not sorting according to the views. So we'll simply go to the browser organization again. And as you can see, we have created this scheme only in the views. So we need to go to sheets and create the same kind of a scheme in the sheets as well. Now we'll go to grouping and sorting. We'll sort by views category. After that, sheet number, and then okay. So you will see floor plans, RCP, and the last sheet you can put it as, let's say, elevation. If you want to sort it furthermore, let's say if you have floor plans, then you have enlarged plans of the same floor plans. So let's say the series would be A100, then the next series would be A100.1, something like that. So how you can sort it? You can go to Project Browser Organization, Sheets, Edit. In sheet number, you can add the option of leading character. In leading character, let's say if you put 1, so it will sort according to A, which is the first leading character of sheet number. If you put it 2, it will take A1. So let's say if you put A2 series number, you can see A1. If you make another sheet and let's say we'll put the same sheet in the load plans like this, and if we change the number to A203, so it will take another category like this. And why it is taking another category? Because if we go to this edit, we have taken two leading characters, which is A and then 1. If we take it three leading characters, then it will take A10, A20 like this. So this is how a project browser organization can be sorted.